It is about 2.5 million years ago when the Homo sapiens used to gather food and were professional hunters. They generally worked in groups to fulfill their hunger. Now, Homo sapiens were the present day human beings and has a very close relative known as Neanderthal. We will talk about them later on, but before that, welcome to our new channel Redo Past. Here you came to know about great idols, epic histories, and few general knowledge. So if you are interested in these things, subscribe to our brand new channel. So let's begin. Now many questions would be arising that what happened to Neanderthals or how mans became food producers. As we all know, Africa is the origin of mankind, and it is believed that humans were evolved in the region of Zambia, and from here they moved towards the different parts of the world. Now just see this image. It was the skull of Homo sapiens and Neanderthal, which can be identified by their size. Neanderthal generally have large skull, but due to inefficient and undeveloping brain, they extinct. But even though the main cause of their extinction is climate change and food scarcity, and as we know, their brain was not developed up to mark and loses their life. Now there is so many events that took place in early age. Discovery of fire. It is the most important discovery in the history of mankind and brings up a great change in human life. It helps in cooking meals and provide protection from wild. Fire also light up the life of humans during night. Fire also have a very precious place in the culture of Zoroastrianism. While in Hinduism, fire belongs to a demigod Agni Dev. Invention of stone tools. It is also an important event of early ages. It was started 2.3 million years ago and mainly divided into 3 stages and were classified by their tools. The age of Chalcolithic. It was also important because the very first elements were founding during this era. Agriculturing skill is founded during Neolithic period. Early man started adapting agriculture near the region of Nile River, which is pretty obvious as you can only practice agriculture if there is a perfect amount of water available there. The benefits of agriculture. First, it causes the beginning of trading between two communities and it ended the food crisis and even it turns man to food producers. The very first crops which were being grown are barley, cotton and wheat. But why man started agriculture practice near water bank of Nile? Your pretty obvious answer would be this, but it was not true. Actually, the mans were originated from the region of grassland, which was not favorable for good agriculture. And also it is hard to grow crops in an area where most of the land was covered with unwanted grasses. Wheels have a very important role in modern world, but its first version was made of stone and is being invented by mistake. They used it for mass traveling and for the transportation of goods. And like this, humans keep developing and evolving. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And also comment down your reaction.